Oh. Did you find your thumb? Where is it? That's it. That's your thumb. Are you done with the camera? Yeah. No more. Okay. You got your own stickers, Soph? Show me. Show me on the camera. What did you write all by yourself? Sophie's coloring book. Well, Mommy wrote coloring, but you wrote Sophie's book all by yourself.
Sophie's book.
Good job, Sophie. Are you proud of your sister? Maybe she can teach you how to write. Okay, bye-bye.